my YouTube channel and happy Republic to you all. I hope that you all would be good. So today you know that it is a very special day for us, not for New Last. It is special day for everyone in India. So today we thought that today since I had week off, so we thought that we will go somewhere. So you know that in the Bangalore, so this festival is being celebrated very fantastic way. So that we choose to go to Bidhan Sabha, and now we are heading to the Bidhan Sabha. Me and my one of my friend is Saran bro. We both will go together. So let's see. Till then, you just stay tuned with me. So let's go.
Then we took out the bike from garage. Then we leave to destination with following to the Google Maps and the listening song.
Slide right onto General KS Nimaya Road, Richmond Road.
Just have a look guys, such an amazing scene, especially when the driving such scooty and we're recording that video. It looks like that it's so much scene is so much insane, and it feels like it will never end. And we went about 500 meters ahead to park our scooty.
So finally guys, you can see that finally we reached in that Bidhan Sabha. You know that we leave from our home at 7 o'clock, but due to some traffic, we stuck in the traffic, and it leads to delay our reaching this spot. Actually really we missed that flag hosting, because we know that while doing the flag hosting there will be a lot of crowd, and that time of excitement of the people would be so much high, but we missed that. Actually we are really sad for about that. And you can see still that how much crowd is there. Lot of crowd is there still, and I'm damn sure that while the flag hosting, definitely there will be a lot of crowd. Even you can't see, you can't walk that time. So finally we reach, and we just now you can see that views of this area, and also so today's guys, this is a special day, is the Republic Day. So in Republic Day, why we are celebrating the Republic Day means that after we got freedom at 1947, August 15, then after what we thought, we don't have any our own law. We were still following about the British law. So then after 1950 and January 26, Dr. Ambedkar just made a law, and from that made a law, our own law, which since then we follow our own laws. That is for remember this day, we just celebrating this January 26 is our Republic Day, because that day so many leaders is just declared that this is the Purna Swaraj about this today. This is the reason behind we are celebrating this January 26 as our Republic Day.
And one thing caught my attention: the bus was, I saw that one bus is roaming without the roof. I was wondering that how the bus don't have that roof. Then my friend told me that it's a double-decker bus. This bus is specially designed to explore the city during such a big festival.
So now I'm just going to say that how we are celebrating this Republic Day in our school days is. So before one day of the Republic Day, what we are told by our sir that we just stick a lot of flag in our all over the school. Then after we just bring on the same day of the Republic Day, at the morning we will wake up and we will just bring some outside, we will bring lot of flower, and then after we will just keep it in the flag. When that flag will be hoisted, that time when the flower will be fall from the down, it look like so much amazing. It looks like that the flower is raining from the after the flag hoisting. Then we'll go for the roaming that village, and
all students will be go for in a queue, and one student will be there in the front. That is the leader basically, and when he will tell something, the rest of the people will be tell the others like this way. Suppose that leader will be tell that Bharat Mata Ki, then the remaining people will be tell that Jai at once. When all the remaining people will be tell that the Jai the same time, that sound will be like really it feels like a goosebump. So after all these things, when we will come back to that school, and we will be given that laddu, chocolate, a lot of things, sweets things. Then after having this food, having these sweets, we all will come back to the home. As you can see guys, that Vidhan Saud is just situated beside of the main road of Dr. Ambedkar, and since today is the Republic Day, so security is so much tight was there, like so much police officers there, and so much of police vehicle is also there, you can see, and the traffic police also was there. So since today is the Republic Day, and you just have a look guys to Vidhan Saud, how it looks so much wonderful. Weather is cloudy, you can see the sky, it looks so clear with this Vidhan Saud. It seems to be the perfect combination between this Vidhan Saud and that sky. In front of this house, there's so much crowd is here, and every people are just busy with taking selfie, and few professional photographers also here, remaining roaming here and there, so that they are they're capturing the photo of the people, and instantly they are just giving the printout. So it just looks so good.
Finally, guys, we just finished up to just watch that Vidhan Saud. Now it is time 11:30, so now we are leaving for our home.
This is the for today's blog, so I hope that you will be enjoy this video, and if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and I will meet the in the next blog very soon. So till then, bye, take care.